fact, the electric eel can actually fly. Despite its name, it is not an eel. And it doesn't have dorsal fins for stability or a swim bladder to help it float. So how does this fish with no flying experience sleep up to 2 meters out of the water and more than 1 meter away from its prey? We don't know exactly, but we have some theories. The electric eel has been a source of fascination and fear for centuries. Ancient Greek and Roman writers described it as a flying fish that could stun and even kill its prey with a single jolt. In reality, the electric eel can't fly, but it does have the ability to produce powerful electric shocks that it uses to stun fish and other prey, as well as to communicate and navigate murky water. Electric eels are found in the freshwater habitats of South America, and they are one of the most highly specialized members of the knifefish family. They are elongated, flattened, and almost hairless, with a long, narrow head and a large mouth. Their bodies are covered with small scales that overlap like shingles on a roof, and their tails are flat and paddle-like. They have no pelvic or dorsal fins, which makes them look a bit odd and may contribute to their awkward swimming ability. But the most striking thing about the electric eel is its electric organ, which is a modified muscle tissue that runs along its body. This organ allows the eel to generate and discharge powerful electric shocks that can stun or kill its prey. The eel also has the ability to sense weak electric fields, which helps it to find food and navigate in murky waters. Despite their awkward appearance and somewhat unassuming behavior, electric eels are actually quite graceful in the water. They can swim at speeds of up to 6 meters per second, which is around 22 kilometers per hour, and they can jump up to 2 meters out of the water when attacking their prey. But how do they do this? One theory is that the electric eel uses its powerful tail to launch itself out of the water. The eye eel contracts its tail muscles, which are attached to its electric organ, and this creates a sudden release of electrical energy that propels the eel forward. Another theory is that the electric eel uses its head to ram into the surface of the water. Much like a dolphin or a porpoise, the eel's head is less dense than the water around it, so it floats to the top and then uses its powerful body to launch itself out of the water. Once airborne, the electric eel uses its fins to steer itself through the air, and its long, flexible body allows it to land in a wide range of positions. Some researchers believe that the electric eel uses a combination of both methods to jump out of the water. It uses its tail to get itself close to the surface, and then uses its head to make the final push out of the water. But why do electric eels jump out of the water in the first place? Well, it's not entirely clear, but it is thought that they do it to stun their prey or to escape from predators. When an electric eel attacks, it launches itself out of the water and lands on its prey, delivering a powerful electric shock that stuns or kills the prey. This makes it easier for the eel to eat the prey or to protect itself from predators. Sometimes the electric eel's jumps are high enough to clear the heads of the attacking birds, making the eel a very hard target to hit. Overall, the electric eel is a truly remarkable creature. Its unique morphology and physiology allow it to generate powerful electric shocks, which it uses to stun its prey and communicate and navigate. And its awkward appearance and somewhat unassuming behavior belie a surprisingly graceful swimmer capable of leaping impressive heights. So next time you hear someone say that electric eels can fly, you'll be able to correct them and tell them the truth. The electric eel can't fly, but it is one of the most fascinating and truly amazing creatures that ever existed. Thank you for watching this episode. If you liked it, please subscribe and comment. Also, check out our other videos, which are all about amazing and mysterious creatures from all over the world. We've got a ton of awesome stuff coming up. Don't miss out.